Right now on my hand you can see I am using Fairphone 5 and in this phone I am using Android 15 operating system. If I go to my about phone and scroll down, and here you can see the current Android version is Android 15. But in this Fairphone phone we can easily install Ubuntu Touch Linux operating system. And in this video I am gonna step by step guide you that if you have this Fairphone or any supported device of Ubuntu Touch operating system, then how you can install the Ubuntu Touch Linux operating system on your phone. So without further ado, let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe to this YouTube channel, and if you have already subscribed, then thank you so much. So guys, before flashing the Ubuntu Touch Linux operating system, you have to enable the developer option on your phone and make sure your phone bootloader is unlocked. If you don't know how to do that, let me guide you. First of all, open up the settings of your phone. Then from the settings menu, go to about phone. Then scroll up and here you will find the build number option. Tap on build number for 5 times. And here you can see you are now a developer. Now go back. Then from here open up system. Scroll down and here you will see developer option. Click on it. Now scroll up and you have to turn on the OEM unlocking. Here you can see this phone bootloader has already unlocked. Then scroll up, turn on USB debugging, click on OK. So if you have the Fairphone 5, then on their official website you will get step-by-step guide to unlock the bootloader. I'll add that link in this video description. So follow that link and follow the guide step by step to unlock your Fairphone 5 bootloader. For different devices, the process of unlocking bootloader is different. So you have to do some research on Google for your Android phone. Now what you need to do, you have to connect your mobile phone with your computer using a USB cable. Let me connect mine. And now get back to your computer and here you can see my computer screen. Now first of all what you need to do, open up your terminal window and you need to install ADB tools on your operating system. If you use Windows operating system or Mac OS, then open up any of your browser. Then search on Google ADB tools. Then from here go to SDK platform tool release option, scroll down and from here you can download the ADB tools for various operating system. Here you can see it's available for Windows, Mac and Linux. As I'm using Ubuntu Linux operating system, I'm going to use the terminal window to install the ADB tools. For that you need to type sudo apt install ADB. Then press enter, type the root password and press enter. And it should install the ADB tools on your computer. Now on your terminal you need to type ADB devices. Then press enter and on your mobile phone you will get a pop-up like this. From here you need to enable allow the USB debugging. Then tap on allow. Now again type the same command ADB devices and here you can see my device is now connected with my computer using the USB debugging. Now after that you need to boot your phone into fastboot mode. For that you need to power off your phone. Then to boot into fastboot mode or bootloader mode, press and hold the power key and volume down key. And your phone should boot into fastboot mode. Now connect your phone using the USB cable with your computer. Now again get back to your computer screen. Open up your browser, take another tab, then search here for Ubuntu Touch. Go to this first website ubuntutouch.io. Then from here go to Ubuntu Touch, click on devices and here in this list you will find all the supported devices that can able to run Ubuntu Touch operating system. And here you can see we have the Fairphone 5 with the star mark. That means every feature of Ubuntu Touch operating system supports this Fairphone phone. So I'm going to click on Fairphone 5, then scroll down. Then from this how to install section, you have to download the Ubports installer on your computer. Here you can see it's also available for Linux, Windows and Mac. As I'm using Windows operating system, I need to download the Debian package for this. When the downloading get completed, go to your downloads folder and here you can see the Debian package. I'm going to open a terminal from here. Then I'm going to install the Ubports installer on my computer. So I'm going to type here sudo apt install dot slash, then the Debian package file name and press enter. Then type the root password and press enter. It's installed the Ubports installer. And after that, click on show apps and search for Ubports installer and open that application. Here you can see it detects FP5 or Fairphone 5. My device is already unlocked, so I'm going to click on my device is unlocked. Then from here I'm going to select the Ubuntu Touch, then click on install. Then from here I'm going to select the stable version, and also for the first time I'm going to click on wipe user data. Remember that it will remove everything whatever you have on your phone, so make sure to take backup of all of your files. Then click on OK, then click on continue, and now it should start flashing the firmware of Ubuntu Touch operating system on your phone, and that time your phone should be reboot, and now it's boot into fastboot mode. Here you can see now it's cleaned up the user data partitions, and here you can see it's now pushing all the required files to install the Ubuntu Touch operating system on my Fairphone 5. And when the flashing gets completed, our Ubuntu operating system should automatically reboot into system or Ubuntu Touch operating system. For the first time, the boot process will take a while, so don't panic, just wait. And now here you can see it's now installing the update, and here you can see the Ubuntu Touch or Ubports logo. And in our computer screen you can see the success message. That means the Ubuntu Touch operating system has been successfully flashed and installed in our Fairphone 5. It's gonna take a while, so you have to wait until the installing update and fastboot process get completed. Here you can see my phone again restarted, and now this time it should come up with Ubuntu Touch operating system screen. Here you can see now the Ubuntu Touch operating system is booting on our Fairphone Android phone, and this is the basic setup screen. You have to set up your mobile phone for the first time. And guys, here is our welcome to Ubuntu Touch first screen. Now to get started, click on get started, and this is our Ubuntu Linux operating system running on our Fairphone 5. And guys, now we have successfully installed Ubuntu Touch Linux operating system on our Fairphone 5. If I open the settings, then go to system information, here you can see the Ubuntu Touch operating system running on Fairphone 5. So guys, in this way you can easily install Ubuntu Touch Linux operating system on any supported Android device. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.